Wait, don't we all own Mario Kart on the Switch anyway?
Yes.
Yep.
So what are we doing?
You tell me.
This is your idea, dude, every time.
Let's play Mario Golf. Alright. Yeah, it was an interesting little venture for that one at least. Okay, Mario Golf Toadstool Tour.
Oh boy.
Now, in case you guys weren't aware, this is by Nintendo. Camelot. Oh, what the fuck is this?
Fisheye Lindsay.
I'm ordering a sandwich.
Smart move. Oh, did you skip the cutscene?
No.
Just did it?
Yeah.
Interesting. Alright. Oh my god, you can do that? Oh my god, I hate this already. Oh no! This is horrible! This is the worst game ever! Shit! Fuck.
Looks too easy.
Looks just too easy. Alright, that'll do. Alright. God damn it, nobody touch anything.
What? Are you my daddy?
You? Alright, that should be good.
You my daddy.
Caddy! Caddy!
You my daddy.
You beat my daddy cat?
Mama Luigi! Amateur.
What a stupid situation this is. They get a good. Shit, yo.
Oh, I guess they had a tree.
I did.
Oh, got a sand wedge. I'll go for the pitching wedge. Oh, for the putter? Oh, pitching wedge again. 9-iron?
Whatever.
Figured out, nerd.
How can you see?
I can't.
Oh shit, that was close.
I feel like that ball doesn't roll enough.
I hate this so much.
Alright, we got a slant to the right.
Okay.
Wind is at about a 2-foot.
A 2-footer.
I don't know what that means.
This is made by the same people making the Mario Tennis Aces game, by the way.
I hope they had this feature.
Yeah.
I like how Mario.
I gotta do the thing in pro golfers do. They do this for like an hour.
Yep, yep.
What bar am I supposed to aim for?
Who knows,
It's like
man?
green and blue.
You fool!
Boom, baby!
There was
You
a thing
did know
above it.
you-
Look at that little arrow, dude.
What?
You see the little arrow? Right above it says 10 wide pointing down.
Yeah.
That's what you want to hit for.
Oh, okay, okay, I got you. Fuck you. Damn, that's sensitive. Fuck. What? Why did that go so far? Fucking insta-tapped it. It goes halfway across the fucking green.
Oh. You hold that so strangely.
Mario.
It's so strange.
Who do you think you are? Good luck to me. I hate you. I hate you.
If you win, I hate you. I like that a lot. So close.
Birdie putt.
Nice shot.
Purple trail. And
Right to the thing.
Nice shot.
That's where it told me to shoot. Fuck this game. Fuck this game. The ball just stops.
Done, dude.
You guys are so good. Have you just given up at this point? Oh,
You bust out that driver, you won't.
Oh my god.
I want to alt F4, but that doesn't close your game.
Nope, it won't do shit.
What if you had keyboard enabled?
Holy shit. You lifted up a fucking stone, dude.
Almost.
My God.
Alright, we're doing good, guys. Wait, why is Wario saying to shank it? He wants it to kill someone?
It's a golf term.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
The chippin'! God, gamer! You guys think it's possible? Over that. Alright. Fuck! Man!
I warned you.
I mean, I moved out of the way, I thought, but yeah, I guess I didn't. Shit.
Yeah, chip it in
These
for me,
trees,
dude.
right?
Yeah.
What do you think Snake's doing? You think he had to go poop?
He's probably poop.
Yeah, I bet he's got diarrhea right now, but he doesn't want to tell us.
I wouldn't tell you guys.
Yeah, it'd be really embarrassing. Do you have diarrhea right now?
Nah, dude. I would tell you though.
Thank you. Thank you. Cool. Yeah, that'd be a shame. Good luck to me. What a kidder. Wait, how do you... What are all the buttons you were pressing for that?
You can hit your D-pad or your face buttons. Execute Order 66. Do it.
I feel like Go is so much louder than the other ones. Oh shit! Can we get some resident sleepers in the chat, please? Shit. We got burpers and sleepers over here.
Can I get some piggies in the chat? That's what I'm hearing.
Yeah, it sounds like a pig, doesn't it? Are there any actual pig emotes?
Yeah. Your friend Holo has one.
Hi, I am going to play the role of Jimmy John's delivery driver.
Oh, okay, cool.
And for this scene, I'm going to park a block down the other end of the wrong house.
Oh, nice.
And I gave your sandwich away.
What's your inspiration?
What's
it a
your
tip?
Is it the tip? Are you inspired for the tip?
What is your cornerstone?
I am channeling, oh god, what is it? Jeff Goldblum.
Ah, okay.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I like that.
Damn. That was like 10 minutes of wind up for that.
I know, right? Apparently Jeff Goldblum shit at golf. Hey, what did he say?
What did Emperor Palpatine say?
Do it. Do it. Do it. Fucking do it.
Just fucking do it.
I will force shock the shit out of you. Do it.
I don't remember that scene.
Oh shit. Get it. If you don't get that, you're bad.
You win,
Yeah,
I
it's
hate
like the
you.
easiest shot of your life. A little more to the left. There you go. There you go.
It's taking so long. Ugh.
What the heck?
Easy game, dude.
Oh
Easy
my
game.
God. I didn't
Damn,
know
that
we
was
were
close.
playing with someone so shit at this game.
Fuck.
I'm just gonna eat my sandwich.
What'd you get, by the way?
Turkey Tom?
Italian.
Oh,
Nice.
that's pretty good too. Oh, this is the roar on the green music.
Yeah.
What?
Why do you hold your
Nearly
club like a
far.
grandma?
I like it.
He's fat. Not even that he's short, he's just
You
fat.
hear that? If you're fat, you don't know how to hold a golf club.
That's how I hold the golf club. And I'm fat.
Oh, it's probably because it's
Oh,
wet.
it's uphill.
Isn't that some baloney?
It's wet and uphill, I think. Boogie. Oh, I'm sad. Touching my chin.
But am I sad?
I just had like an existential thought.
Oh wow.
That almost didn't go in.
Need a lesson? Not bad.
Double boogie. Oh god, poor Yosh. Shit.
Dude, it's going left and right, and Jesus. Where's the hole? I can't even see it.
Right there.
Need a lesson?
What the fuck are those noises? Do you want some advice?
Need a lesson? Loser. Need a lesson?
You did it. It wasn't so
I got it in the hole.
Yeah.
Lesson? Loser. Need a lesson? Loser. Need a lesson? Loser. Need a lesson?
Okay.
Other way, bro. Other way.
Think so?
Helping you, but it's the other way, yeah.
Really?
Need a lesson?
Yeah, the hill you're going up, look.
Uh-huh.
Look at that.
Doesn't that mean it's
Gotta go-
tilting down that
gotta
way?
go Right. Gotta go
You would want to
right.
aim to the right.
Need a lesson?
So I would want to do this.
Yeah.
Need a lesson? Loser.
Or this?
No, not that way.
So I was going the right way.
Yeah, you were.
Nah. The other way.
This way? This way?
Yeah, there you go.
I feel like I'm being lied to.
Roll bluff.
Yeah, right?
Nat 20. Told you, bro.
Oh my god, it's so close. If I had a little bit more power. A little bit more of an angle to the other way. To the way I was pointing. Oh my god, I hate this game. Is there a way to disable that perchance? Yeah, okay. You got this, Snake. You've done it before.
Oh my god.
The fuck out of here.
Now chip it back in.
Why do you hold your club like that?
It's good,
I have
dude.
stubby fucking arms, dude. Even look at my putter. It's not even like a normal putter.
There's Golden too. Look at these guys.
Wow. Oh, apparently 5 has a pirate map.
Birdie putt.
What was this? I used to own such play Star Wars Pod Races back in the day. It's at the 4-player competitive, not sure about GOG's version. Okay, gotcha, thank you. Oh.
Broke the chain,
Broke
dude.
the
I
chain.
know, dude.
Yeah.
Nice birdie.
Nice birdie.
That's a nice boydie.
Rawr.
Parsec means I can play Jedi power battles with people.
Yep. Literally anything that connects with the controller.
Nice ball.
What is Jedi Power Battles?
Old school PS1 game.
Let's play Energize.
What's that?
Final Fantasy Fighter.
Oh, air guys.
Oh yeah.
Was that that was a multiplayer game, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Alright, good round by the way, or good holes. Out of here,
Don't
video
talk about
game.
my hole.
Don't look at their holes. Fuck you, dudes.
Why you do this?
Holy shit! Holy shit! This is the best thing in the world!
Oh, the bit rate.
Yeah.